Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. Since all 7 members of BTS joined Instagram last week, armies have been scrambling to keep up. We are not alone either. Guinness World Record too has been keeping tabs, knowing that anytime BTS can do anything, they are in the process of breaking records. Guinness has now revealed that V is officially the first member to break records on Instagram. On December 6, the members set their profiles to public and instantly gained millions of followers. According to Guinness World Record, BTS in particular led the charge in terms of follower count, breaking the record for the first time to reach 1 million followers on Instagram in 43 minutes. V broke NCT Tail's record of 45 minutes for fastest time to reach 1 million followers on Instagram only in 43 minutes. Still, that's not all he accomplished in so little time. He also broke the record for the fastest time to reach 10 million followers on Instagram, as he gained 9 more followers in the following 4 hours. The quick work of ARMY led to his followers jumping up to 10 million after just 4 hours and 52 minutes, breaking the record for the fastest time to reach 10 million followers on Instagram. While we led in follower count as the start, he along with his fellow members RM, Jin, Suga, J-Hope, Jimin and Jungkook, and now each have 20 million followers. We expect that Guinness will soon announce even more records broken by the members in the coming days. Taehyung updated his viewers saying, "My beard has been growing well these days." Now he has updated his Instagram story to prove it. Kim Taehyung's brand power, which has been recognized by South Korea's Blue House, has helped brands soar in sales whenever he is seen wearing one of their products. Another brand that has experienced V-effect in English fashion brand Kangol, which is famous for its headwear. Economy newspaper E-Daily reported that SJ Group, the company that imports Kangol brand licensed product, has credited V for popularizing the brand. Kangol rose to public fame last year when Taehyung wore one of their hats in the Dynamite music video. He wore the beret with a kangaroo embroidery, which is the representative product for the brand. It was also revealed that SJ Group's Kangol sales surpassed 100 billion won for the first time. Taehyung's strong marketing effect helped the company overcome the difficult situation the whole fashion industry was experiencing due to COVID-19. Thank you so very much for watching this video.